Hey guys, we're back here again at Chino Hills Skate Park, and today we're joined by a special guest once again. We are here with Hadley. Say hi to the people, Hadley.
Hello.
So Hadley she's out of school for the summer, so that means you're skateboarding a lot, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. And so today in this video, what trick are we gonna be working on?
Shove-its.
Yes, so today we're gonna be working on shove-its. So Hadley's gonna be doing some shove-its, I'm gonna be watching, and you know, it's been a while since I've done shove-its, so it'll be good for me to relearn it again, and so hopefully I can give you some tips and then we can land a couple, right?
Yep.
Awesome, so let's get into the video. All right, so today Hadley wants to learn the shove-it. So we have gone over this trick before in previous videos, so we're not going to be doing the pop shove-it, just a regular shove-it, just because Hadley's still learning it, and later down the road we can implement the pop where we ollie it. So just a quick refresher, this is the shove-it. So it's going to be when the board does a full 180 underneath you and you land back on it. So a quick little shove-it would be something like, there you go, see, it went that way. You can also do them front side, that was back side, so you can do them front side, back side. Today, I think we're gonna be doing the backside ones. So next clips, we're gonna see Hadley do it and see where she is kind of like skill-wise on it. And then we're gonna jump in and hopefully I can give her some tips where she can land one today. Perfect, yeah. And it's like we say in all the other videos, it's like a lot of these tricks, you're not gonna be able to learn just from one video. It takes a lot of practice, huh, Hadley, to learn a trick. So how often do you practice tricks?
Usually like 2 or 3 times.
2 or 3 times when you go skate, and it's
Yeah.
Tricks are hard, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be dedicated, you gotta keep practicing, so it's like, you don't get discouraged if you can't get a trick first try, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Sometimes it can take like half an hour for me to learn.
Yeah, it can take half an hour. Yeah, same with me too. It's like some tricks, you get them real fast. Some of them we gotta battle for, huh? But that's what makes skateboarding fun. Would you say so?
Yep.
Yep, see? You heard it here first. So yeah, let's work on some more shove-its, and then we'll see you in the next segment. Carpet or like grass, see, like that, you know? So if like you want to try it on the grass and then maybe just throwing it around, because then if you land it, you won't slip out or anything. Yeah, I learned a lot of tricks on the grass when I was a kid, like, or on the carpet. My mom didn't appreciate it.
The carpet, yeah.
Yeah. But now Hadley's over that.
Open it, it'll probably pop out, huh?
Yeah.
Show your face. There you are. Let's go.
I gotta put my hand in front of it or else it's
there you have it. We were doing some shove-its, had a lot of fun. It was fun skating with you, Hadley. Thank you so much for coming out. Do you have any shout-outs or anybody you want to say hi to on the video? Maybe mom or family? Give a shout-out to mom for taking you to the skate park?
Sure.
Awesome.
Thanks, Mom.
So once again, thank you guys so much for the continued support. And also remember to stay subscribed to our YouTube channel. Keep up with us on Instagram because all summer long we're going to be doing giveaways. And yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. And also check our website out because there's going to be constant new products dropping. So we're very excited on the new line of boards and accessories that will be dropping. So yeah, that's going to be it. You want to skate some more, Hadley?
Sure.
All right, you heard it here first. Let's go skate.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.